This is where we left off yesterday. I didn't even do my commits. That's rough. Did not even do my commits. That's okay, because we're gonna jump right back into it. Yeah, we're gonna get right back into it. So this is where we left off. I want to get rid of this BS. Get rid of this. Get rid of this. So I want to redo this thing first. First thing I do today is redo this. So I want to get rid of all of this. Actually, before we do that, let's commit these changes and name these hard coded hover rotation. Alright, so now I want to get rid of all of this, right? And I'm gonna do something that I read about yesterday between streams called hydrates. We can use fusion.hydrate, and instead of doing new, we're gonna return a hydrate. Viewport frame. And so what happens if I do this? Like, what would happen functionality wise? They just don't rotate. Okay, so tricky. Thank you, the Muffin Monog, for the happy birthday wishes. I appreciate it. Welcome to the chat. Hello, Tilted Tactician. Thank you as well for the birthday wishes. Welcome to the chat. Alright, we need rotation value. Value 0. And then rotation value set times stepped times 50. Okay, we'll do that. And then this is interesting. So we might actually might just get rid of this. This function's redundant if this exists. So we're gonna do, we actually do need new. We're gonna get new fusion. No, new. And we're gonna do new frame. No, viewport these. Size, position. And brother, item data. Yeah, autocorrect. We had this, typed enter, and we had replicated storage, sure. If replace root part, then cloned asset primary part destroy. Alright. So then we're gonna do children equals like this, and we're gonna do hydrate item model like this, and we're gonna do no, I think it should be the camera because it'll just be easier. So we'll do item model, and we'll do hydrate. Actually, no, we don't even need hydrate, honestly. Get rid of this. We'll do new. What is it? Camera, I think. Yeah, new camera. Parent. Wait, no, that's already defined. We can do field of view equals 70, and then we would do, now we need computed. Do we even need observer? Yeah, we do. So let's get computed. And let's do C-frame equals computed. Like this. And local rotated item C-frame. That's gonna be this times C-frame angles. Math.rad, and then this is gonna be rotation value get, like this. Then we're gonna need viewport model, like right here. Viewport model. All right. This is so interesting. So turns out we do need hydrate. Like so. We have our item model. We have our distance. So now we want to return hydrate. This. We'll give it our size and stuff. We don't need to do that. It's already supplied. And here we can get rid of the camera code. Let's try something. Happy birthday, old. Thanks. Very real. 0. Alright, let's test this. Fusion camera, C-frame type. C-frame type, I got nil. What's up, Innate173? Welcome to the chat. Hydrate, line 66. So it doesn't like my logic. Why? This. Oh. That's why, chat. Sam, welcome. Hey, thanks for the birthday wishes, man. Welcome to the chat. And you got your first place back. Alright, this should fix the error, I believe. Cool. Cool, cool. So this is great because now that it's fusionified, we can put this in a spring and it'll look really nice. Spring. Goal. Speed dampening. So let's get this has to be faster, I believe. No? I always forget. Interesting. Why did that happen? So that's how it should look, and I don't think it has any problems. I leave it running. So why did the spring make it look so weird? What's up, Lucas Player? Welcome to the stream. Thank you for the birthday wishes. I appreciate it.
How is your day going, sir?
My day is going good. Thank you for asking. It's been good. I was lazy. I slept in, played some games before the stream. Oh, that's why. Cause okay, easy peasy. Wait, actually, maybe not easy peasy. Because I just don't understand fully how to work with Fusion, I think. I'm getting there. So I want to use a spring for the spinning icon preview so that when you release it, it can like snap back. The problem is right now the camera is on a spring or on a tween, which is not what we want, because if the camera tweens back linearly, it's not going like around in a circle, it's just tweening, like it's interpolating. We need the model to be the thing that is spinning in the computed, and I don't know how to do that, because even if I do hydrate the item model, then how do I set the primary part, like how do I pivot the model on the computed? Because I assume that's what I'm gonna have to do. Set camera C frame to computed. Oh, I see what you're saying. Set camera C frame. So you're saying I just split this up. Angle is going to be on a spring, not C frame. Ah. See, I'm just having a hard time picturing this in my head. So we get rid of this. We'd have that. And so what would I do? Like angle computed equals computed. And this would return this. And then is that what you're saying? Like something like this? C frame is uncomputed. Rotation value should be on spring. Okay, so this would be a spring. The angle, but either way they need to be separated. So this would be a spring is what you're saying though? So you're saying like this. Am I understanding correctly? No, but this would still need to be computed. This is so confusing. Once I master fusion, it's over, but for everybody. For now, your camera will rotate to match rotation value. Yes. I see. So you're saying this should be a spring. Yes? Would the first argument be a value or no? Or would it just be like, what would be an example spring like? Like that, I guess? I don't know. And then that is not happy. What happened? Okay. So rotation value would be a value, and spring rotation value 0.5, 100, and then what would it be get on this rotation spring? Like that, maybe? Oh yeah, it's moving. Alright, so nice. Thanks, Sam. I really appreciate the help. Like, it's just hard to wrap my head around this. Like, the API, I'm sure, is familiar to other stuff, but this is all new to me. I was gonna go in the wrong direction. Alright, so how do I make this spring nice? So the second thing is dampening. So the dampening should be lower. This should be higher. This should be lower. Maybe? Ooh, that's nice. That is nice. It's the plunger pack again, yup. We're back. Yeah, let's see. Let's like... It'll probably spin back the other way, yeah. It does. We could probably cap the rotation value. Cause like you don't want it to just charge up and then like unwind. Like let's let it do that for a second. Just for the funsies. What's up, Cody? Welcome to the chat. Alright, it's gonna be like a Beyblade. It's kind of funny. It's not bad. Like it wouldn't be like the worst thing ever, but I'm sure it should be oops. Okay. Wouldn't modulus yeah, no. I'm just setting it to like a radian. This would be weird because yeah, that would not be a good way to do it. I think what we could do is yeah, 360 would be 0. Like that would wrap back around 0. So we could I don't know what the best way to do it is, but I know a way to do it, I guess. It's gonna set this to time stepped. Honestly, this is probably just a dumb way to do it. We could do like time elapsed, and then we could do time elapsed equals time elapsed plus time stepped, and then we could do like hold on, let me cook, guys. If oh true, rotation value get modulus 360. Get away. Um, I mean that works, but well, we need to do it when we're setting it because what works out solid. Well, part of like the code ran is what I mean by it worked. Hacky approach. I just want to see if it will work. What? No. Doing it the hacky way doesn't work? No shots. Oh, is that because I'm doing radians? No, I'm doing at the. Yeah, I'm using radians. Okay. No worries. You can watch me struggle with easy code in bad connection. Problem seems to be on the spring. You're going from 360 to 0. Yeah. Also, why is it like accelerating? Is that because the dampening takes it a while to get to the max speed? Hey sinners, welcome to the chat. Thank you for the birthday wishes. That looks sick, thanks. Yeah, it's kind of tweaking out right now. Guys, having it working is, I think, a stretch at this point. Alright, let's get it back to what it was. So it was this times 75. It was working normally. Yeah, I figured, because it wasn't doing that before, and so like this is now working normally. Now the problem lies with the spring going from 360 to 0. We could just do you could also set the spring value directly. Yeah, I'm just gonna get something that works, and then we'll work from there. We'll refine it. So this will be rotation value get. This will be this to be the most hacky thing known to man. That's how I be first round. Hey Foxy, welcome to the chat. Thank you for the birthday wishes. It's been a while. It has been a while. Are you pushing 50? Yeah. No, not yet. Not for like another year or two. You can't really say that. It doesn't apply yet. Current rotation. Happy birthday. Oh, it's my it's my birthday. Yup. Yup. You know, we out here streaming on our birthday. It's no big deal. All right, well that ooh. Why did it do that? Whoa, stop. Alright, we're doing it again. We're multiplying it again. Why don't I understand what I'm doing wrong? Why am I being so dumb? You found out who botted me? Do I know who botted? Do I know them? Are they a fellow member of the chat? Nice, dude. Let's go. How'd you figure that out? Why? What is the purpose? It's funny. It's pretty funny. What am I working on? I'm working on a project, and I'm trying to make this item hover preview thing work without being glitchy like that. That's the plan. Yeah, I know. Reset the old value and hover is done. Well, I'm resetting it to the nearest rotation of 360, which is why when you rehover it, it needs to pick up from there, which is what I'm going to try to do, and I'm going to end up multiplying the value again, and then I'm going to be like, well, hold on, let me cook. I shouldn't be trusted to cook after what I've done. No shot I am exponentially doing anything here. It's just like the code's not that clean, but it's alright if it works, you know? We got there in the end. Thanks. We got there in the end. I like it. We can make it spin a little bit faster. Looks professional. Thank you. That's the beauty of fusion, I think. We got there in the end. with that. And we could make it round up as well. You could do like hydration check. Thank you, Cody. We got water. Actually a new bottle right here with fresh microplastics. But yeah, correct me if I'm wrong, but I can just add 0.5 plus this. Joining you with my own microplastics. Let's go. Microplastic gang. Alright, so let me try this. So if it rotates, cool. So but this, okay. Cool. Very nice. We need to spend time on, I mean, it's crazy how long I've been on the shop, but also we need to spend a lot of time making sure the items themselves, like, in your inventory look and feel good, because that's pretty much the main part of the game besides the actual gameplay, is the items you're collecting. That's the whole point of playing the rounds. So you need to make sure these look and feel nice. I think it looks good. I think it looks good. So let's call that done. Let me open my Trello. Yeah, we got Trello. Step down from Jira. It's okay. Wow. Get owned. I blocked your link. Whisper me your link for your game review. I should change that. That's pretty messed up. That's pretty messed up. Or you can send it to my Discord, because I have you on Discord. Oh yeah. Huge. So shameless. Let's bring this up, guys. Game review right here. Wait, I have to. Okay, we're playing Obby, but you're in a tire by Sky Pirate Games. Oh my gosh, you have 2,000. Holy. Bro, I'm stuck here, I'm not gonna lie. Alright guys, chat, we gotta lock in. We're at 96% on this stage. Is this known to be a hard part or what? What the? Bro, it's gonna be a long stream. Bro, why did you guys do this? Wait, hold on. Here we go. Alright. Nah, we got this. Bro, is this the pay to win level? Oh yeah, I have played before. This is the hardest world? This is like world 2, isn't it? Hold on. We'll run it back. We'll run back world 2. Unless the admins want to give me world 4. Wait. Oh. Do I have to... Let me in. Let me in. Is that a filtering enabled issue? Oh, reset progress. Alright, we're in chat. We're so in. Oh my, oh my gosh. Alright, don't look behind me. Oh my gosh. What the... Sam with the 5 tier... with the 5 community subs? Oh my... Thank you so much, Sam. Holy... I don't want to swear. That's like what comes to mind, like, immediately. And then trying to think of something to say. That's not that. It's like, I'm blanking. But thank you very much. Birthday gift for subs. Thank you very much, Sam. I appreciate it. Hey, look, you're #1 in sub gifts too now. You're running the chat right now. Mr. Andy Games, welcome to the chat. W indeed. Big W. Bro, Sam, thank you so much. You are a power viewer. You help me with the code. You be out here being active and even giving subs, which is insane. Community subs. That is selfless right there, chat. Everybody thank Sam. Oh my. And Cody too. Oh my gosh. You guys completed my sub goal. What do I even say? What do I even say to that? Thank you so much, Cody. I thought, you know, here I am, you know, thinking to myself that you didn't even mean to sub to me. Like, it's an accident. And, you're just straight up out here. You know, like, I don't think those 10 subs were an accident. Thank you so much, Cody. And you guys completed my sub goal, so I'm gonna have to do something special. I have no idea. Yo, Pashley's in the stream. Yo, what's up, Pashley? And what's up, Pizza Dev again? Been hanging out. Finger slipped. Unlucky. No take backsies. Just kidding. The sub sound is still going. I was like wondering what that is. Chat, why is this game spamming me with microtransactions? Alright, now we're cooking. Did this game get picked up by the algorithm or something? How come, what calls for such a big increase? I mean, no hate or anything, I'm just curious. Bro, how many sounds? I feel like it's been more than 15. This game was being sold before it got released. This game? Nah, this is your boy Cody. Cody's project. Picked up by the algo and some YouTubers. Gotcha. Oh, and these are these the immersive ads? Yeah, Cody made this game. No big deal. Slight flex. Look at the volcano right there. That's aesthetic. Aesthetic. Oh sheesh. Alright, let's complete this world at least. Oh, that is not enough speed. Not enough speed, chat. Oh, is someone's stealing Cody's games? Oh, that's a dub. Okay, I was gonna say, if that is not a dub, I don't know what is. Alright, chat. Everybody go play Avi But You're in a Tire. Great game, banger. Definitely no hard levels at the end of level 3. World 3 I mean, but banger game right here. 10 out of 10. Would recommend. Alright, anyways. So like pretty nice, I think. Pretty nice hover effect. Yeah, let's go, free gifted. Huge. Yoinked. Hey, I mean, I understand, like, I respect the hustle. You get, you know, you take what you can get, right? Like, I'm not complaining. Whenever I get a free sub, I'm not complaining. Subs don't mean anything to me. I have turbo. Real. I think it's just a matter of principle at that point, right? Oh, Cody's messaging me. We do in numbers, true. Secret fusion lover, true. I think there's some beef here in the chat, guys. There's some Roact versus fusion beef I can sense. Turbo sounds convenient. Ads kill me. Ads actually kill me. Alright, well, I'm gonna blame it on the fact that it's my birthday that I'm not being productive right now. Yeah, they're terrible. They're actually terrible. Watching YouTube when I'm going to sleep on my TV. Last thing I need when I'm passing out is an ad about getting lung cancer from nicotine. That is so real. That is so real. I love smoking metals personally. I'm a big fan. Um, but that's just me, chat. And you know, the stream here is about uh development first and foremost. You know me. Adblock freezes streams for me. YouTube was like going sicko mode, and they were like actually like throttling the entire website if you had adblock. That was pretty nice. I thought my computer was dying. Pretty 10 out of 10. Didn't allow you to watch videos at all? That's crazy. Like it would make it like freeze up anytime I started a video for like a few seconds, and like clicking the pause button would be super unresponsive. 6 viewers, 15 gifted subs. I got none. Math sucks. Unlucky. How? How does that even make sense? Who got the subs? And Rico. Rico just snagged one. Yo, Rico with the dub, getting the sub. Pashley did try. You gotta give respect. That is huge respect right there. Thank you for the sub. Thank you guys so much for all the support right now. I really appreciate it. Respect for real. FR. I need that $5 back. Sheesh, real. You need what would you even buy with $5? That's like 6 packs of ramen at least. Like instant noodles. POV added income stops coming in. That's at least a beer. True. In some places, that's not even like a single cocktail. Owned. Yeah, you're not safe anywhere. Not even in some random streamer's chat. You're gonna get hounded by your games. Owned. I'm just kidding. I'm just stirring the pot, chat. See ya, Pashley. Thank you for the subs and hanging out. I really appreciate it. I'll see you around, hopefully. Oh, guys, I'm so tired. I don't know what to work on right now. That's not gonna be a running joke. It probably will be, actually. It'll be like a running excuse. But like, something about developing on stream like extra takes it out of you, and then like, actually, I'm not even gonna say that. That's such a cope. That's like a extreme cope. I think it's just the fact that I don't know. I don't even know, to be honest. I don't know. We're gonna get some more stuff done. So that's done. How do you make a plugin? That's what I want to know. I remember knowing a while ago, and then I haven't made a plugin in forever. I think you have to make it as like a model. You export it as an RBXM, and it has like a main script or something. There's gotta be a way, or not a way, there's gotta be some sort of written guide somewhere. Create a script, save it as a plugin. Interesting. Okay, I don't know if that's what I want to do right now, actually, but it's an option. Why I want a plugin? Um, to generate all painted variants of an item model for testing purposes, because part of what we were doing yesterday was um, readjusting the hue color brackets for painted item names, and they're obviously, like, this is generic, so this isn't gonna perfectly apply to every item, but we want it to at least look close enough, if that makes sense. So once we get this to where we think it's good, we need to test it on, like, you know, a few items. I want a couple more items with different color palettes than just a plunger, so that way we can test generating all 100 versions of the item and seeing if, you know, the red items, they look like they're red, the gold items, like whatever they're labeled as, right? So like the 14 gold items, they should look somewhat gold. You know, the lime items, they should look lime, navy, all that stuff. And then if they don't, we either have to change the color palette of the item, or this will have to be adjusted again. But assuming we adjust this correctly, gotta go work, see ya. Bye Cody, thank you for hopping in, and the birthday wishes and the subs. I appreciate it, and I will see you around. But yeah, in theory, we'll get this close enough to match most of the items in the game. That's the idea. And having a plugin for, you know, people that make assets. Yeah, no, I 100% agree, but making a plugin is super easy, to be honest, because I don't need it to really be that fancy. It could literally just be a button that, so like I'd select the item and I'd click the button, and it would be essentially what you said, like pasting code in the terminal, but it would just be packaged into a plugin. Fun fact, I have a plugin and I keep making money from it. Dude, that's what's up. Hell yeah, that's what's up. Passive income, baby. But yeah, so like this is a physical example of the color spectrum broken up into these chunks. So you would click a button and it would break up the items into these. They would probably group them into folders. Every few weeks, easy. Hell yeah. Just easy, easy money. Guys, what are we at right now? We're at what is that, 36 subs? 26, no, 26. I can't read. 26 out of 25 is insane. It's actually so crazy. Where is, okay, that's it. Alright, I think we might try and start the plugin, but I want to move this somewhere first. Like both these constants I want to move somewhere, so first will be this we can move into constants. Is hotbar decay time used literally anywhere? I don't think it is. Roblox pending takes about a month to when buying a plugin. That's crazy. That is insane turnover. Okay, yeah, we can get rid of this, and then we'll do order of properties names, property, it should be property names, names in order. Property names from item string in order. Yeah, it is. That's a very big turnaround. Okay, so now we need constants. Cool. And then we're gonna make another table called painted colors, and this is quite literally going to return this. Equals require Alright, and then alright, now that we move that out of the item util, we can knock off another thing on our Trello list. Create your first plugin. If your plugin is going to require a module, let's get the colors. You're going to need a module to require without a cache. Yes. So how would you suggest doing that? You can always, uh, you could always do like a shallow copy of the table because it's not even a complex table. Plugin. Alright, I'm gonna Google that. Roblox require module without cache. I found it. He uses insert service. Alright, toolbox. This is unhinged. Why is it like this? Okay, whatever. Do I know sketches? I do. From some friends. I'm not big into watching Twitch streamers, but I do know. Okay, so we need... Do you want live? Oh, that's why I lost all my viewers. Unlucky. I'm just kidding. Okay, so we need get... Actually, no. Roblox plugin get selected. Get the part selected. Okay. Get selected model. Alright, no worries, Pizza Dev. I will talk to you later, man. I'm glad you got to hop in for a little bit. I appreciate it. I will see you around. Selected model is gonna be get selected model. If not selected model, then what is this gonna be? It's gonna be painted colors equals require custom require replicated storage dot share dot tables dot painted colors, and this is gonna be local selection service game get service selection. First selected results. Please select the model you would like to use. Please select a valid model that you want to Happy birthday. Thank you, Slemps. Welcome to the chat. I'm thinking about a good game idea. Would you like to know it? Sure, why not? Actually, I don't even think we need that. Do you know the game Eating Simulator? Maybe. Game like that, but chocolate with chocolate. Willy Wonka style. That could work. 14 days of UI feels weird, man. Strap in because it's gonna be a lot longer. It's gonna be a lot more. It's gonna be a lot more. We got a nice spinny item preview though. So that, that's nice. Painted variants. Alright, what happens if I select a model and click it? Clicked on a valid model. But does it work on mobile? No, because mobile will need to be able to click on it and not hover it. We're getting there. We're getting there. I'm really happy with this effect though. I think it's sick. You know what I'm saying? It is very nice. Thank you. I appreciate it. I took us a while to get there, but we did it. So now me creating tech debt for myself. I could make this plugin hook to like the game code and use like the same functions to generate the painted items as the game. But then this plugin wouldn't be fully standalone, and you would need the game files to run this. I'm trying to think of what would be better. I mean, obviously you would want it to be standalone, I think. But then it's like, that's just extra tech debt. Because if you ever change the algorithm, or how painted items are assigned, you'd have to change it in the plugin. Which just sounds so annoying. It just doesn't sound fun. I mean, it already is hooking to it. You can get more items on selection. First select file, then select model. What do you mean? What do you mean by that? Maybe. The problem is it's another design problem. Like, I want this plugin to be standalone in the sense that you could be in an empty workspace with just the item asset and then use this plugin and generate, the painted variants. The problem is that that creates tech debt for future me, because if I ever change in item util the, how the painted colors get applied to the item, then I also have to change that in the plugin if it's a standalone plugin. But if the plugin is reading game files in this function, then you would have to be using this plugin in the game environment with the code base loaded, or with the files that it needs, like the dependencies. And if not, it wouldn't work. The plugin just wouldn't work. Yes, sir, John. Thank you for the follow. Welcome to the stream. So that's like my little dilemma here. It's like, you could definitely just not sandbox it, but write a second version of all that logic in the plugin code. But then that makes like a really weird, it like decouples it, it decouples the plugin painted logic from the code base. That's the problem. I don't like that. But then if I fix it, then I couple the plugin with the game, if that makes sense. Like, then you can't use the plugin without the game files. And like, for an artist, that might be a little bit unintuitive. It's like, I have the plugin, but it's not working, right? No easy answer. Yeah. Yeah, cause it's like, it's not even really like there is an answer. It's like a dilemma, I guess. There's trade-offs either way. It's like, do I create the tech debt and decouple it, or do I not and I make it? But that just defeats the point of the plugin then. Hmm. Yeah, I don't know. That's a tough. It's just a weird situation. I guess I'll have to couple it to the code. To the code base. Make a separate module that returns a paint function. Well, yeah, but the problem is still like that you would need that module to exist. Like you couldn't just open up a blank base plate and use it. You would still need I have an idea. I have an idea. Try to locate game files. This would be for painted colors and item util. It should still it should still it should still generate 100 variants of the item. So maybe what I could do is it'll try to find the files. If it finds the files, it'll run the code using using the files it found, and if it doesn't find the files, it can like fall back on like default functions that we write. So like maybe if the painted colors table doesn't exist, which is this, then maybe it would still generate 100 versions of that item, but it just wouldn't name them. They would just all be in one big folder. They wouldn't have names, and it would give a warning in the console saying you're missing replicated storage, shared tables, painted colors. I think that could work. Yeah, default inside plugin, and then that way it'll warn you in the console warn if not using game files may give unexpected results. Cool. Alright, what files am I gonna need? I'm gonna need don't get any luau in here, I'm not doing it. Easy money with this. This plugin's not for money. Find path. And then this should be p-call. P-call function return find path. If not success, then warn fail, and then we could do failed to locate game file. And then we'll do path. And then we'll do return custom require result. And then that should be try to require module from path like this. So we're gonna need painted colors, item util, and items databases items actually, hold on. No, we don't need this, I don't think. Fall, okay, this will be built in do like generic create model and yeah, I guess that's all we need. Okay, and Sorry, chat. Generic, what is it? Get color? But get painted color? Shit, we don't need a generic for that. It is Maestro's B-Day. What's up, Drags? Welcome to the chats. Alright, welcome. Happy birthday, thank you, I appreciate it. Thank you for the birthday wishes. I had the lethal command. Very true. I think it's almost lethalington time. Whoops. Times 4. item asset equals selected model. Need painted color equals I. I think this might work. If not item model, then okay, let's try this. Save as local plugin, boom, yes. Alright, let's get this bad boy right here. Alright, so we got it selected, and line 52 to 39. Returns bool. "12-hour stream, you wish. You wish." I'm just kidding. That'd be cool to do one day, but I am not ready to do something like that anytime soon. I bet it's even, yeah, it's gonna get there. Is something wrong? Yeah, it's it doesn't like something. I don't know if pcall is not returning the right oh, I know why. Yeah. we go. It's like a good V1. It's very, very simple V1. But that uses the game files. It generates all the variants. We can change the spacing. Spacing should be relative to the bounding box size. Permanent goalie here. Yo, what's up, permanent goalie? Welcome back. Welcome to the chat. It is soon lethal time. So spacing should be relative. Group into models based on color name.
Lol.
Lol. Facts. But I think this is a good place to stop. I think this is a good stopping point. So that generates all the versions of the hat. I really like this color effect. I don't know if people are gonna like it. Like, I don't know if it's gonna be like the biggest hit, but I like it a lot. Alright guys, well, I think that is it for the stream today. Thank you everybody for hopping in. Once again, I'm not gonna close the pull request, but I'm going to do my commits before I end the stream. So this is reference changes and made hover effect work with Fusion Springs. Alright guys. It was a great stream. It was a really fun one. Once again, thank you for everybody who hopped into the chat today. Thank you for all the subs, all the birthday love and birthday support, everyone. It was awesome. It was a really fun stream today. I'm really happy with the little effect that we got done with mousing over items. So very happy with the work we got done, and I am even more excited to be back tomorrow again at 6 p.m. Eastern, 3 p.m. Pacific. I will be back, and once again, everybody, follow your dreams, stay true to yourself, and take care of yourself, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Thank you everybody for watching.